How to make a public profile on Facebook. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. You are now in the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts from your friends and pages that you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Settings. Here, go to the Tools and Resources section. Tap on Default Audience Settings. On this page, you can choose a default audience for some content that you share. Select Public. This means that anyone can see what you share and interact with your public content. You can also choose Custom to manually choose who can see or interact with what you share. After choosing, tap on Next below. Then, tap on Confirm. Your default audience has now been updated to public. You can change your settings at any time. Tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily make a public profile on Facebook.